This step will demonstrate how to start printing with the Silicone 3D printers. Before the step, please make sure both nozzles are calibrated and make sure you have a slice object in the software before starting printing the object. When we start printing object with water-soluble material, we will first extrude the water-soluble support from the nozzle. First, click Open Support Valve to open the right valve, and then click Extrude Material to extrude J-axis only by clicking only the J checkbox, and then click 100 to extrude J-axis by 100. To slowly push out support material, you may need to repeat this step several times until the support material are pushed from the nozzle. Now you can find the support material are extruded from the nozzle, and then please click Close All Valve in order to close the support valve. Then we need to extrude the silicone material. First, click Open Silicone Valve to open the valve on the left. Then we need to extrude 2-part silicone from the cartridge through the 2-to-1 connector and mixer. The most thing to keep in mind is part A and part B silicone need to mix by 1-to-1 ratio. If the ratio is not even, the silicone may not be cured afterward. So go to the Manual tab on the right, check E axis and I axis. If you did check J axis, please uncheck it. Make sure you check only E and I axis. We click plus 100. Again, you need to repeat it several times by clicking once by one, not too fast. In the process, you will see silicone flow through the mixer and to the nozzle. When you find silicone flow from the left nozzle, click Close All Valve. Then both valves are closed. You can then click Start Printing on the software interface. In general, the printer will start printing support material before printing silicone material.